I bought and tested these shampoos so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. If you have oily roots and dry ends like I do, you know how frustrating it can be finding the right product. I'm here to share my honest experiences with 5 amazing shampoos that promise to balance those pesky oil levels while keeping your ends hydrated. Product number 1. CeraVe Gentle Hydrating Shampoo. Using the CeraVe Gentle Hydrating Shampoo was like giving my hair a long overdue spa day. I've often struggled with the duality of my hair's needs: oily roots that need cleansing, but dry ends that scream for hydration. This shampoo claims to be suitable for all hair types, and I was curious if it would deliver. Upon opening the bottle, I noticed it had no fragrance, which I appreciated given my sensitive scalp. As I lathered it through my hair, I felt it gently cleansing my scalp without that harsh, stripping sensation. The inclusion of ceramides and hyaluronic acid made me feel like it was not just cleaning, but also nurturing my hair. After rinsing, my hair felt smoother and surprisingly hydrated. Pros: the fact that it's sulfate-free and suitable for sensitive skin is a huge plus, especially for anyone dealing with scalp issues. It's pH balanced, which meant my hair didn't feel like straw after washing. However, it might not offer the intense cleansing some may seek if they have extremely oily hair. On the flip side, I found myself reaching for a second wash on particularly greasy days. If you're looking for a gentle yet effective shampoo that doesn't compromise on hydration, this is a solid choice. It's dermatologist developed, which adds an extra layer of trust. I'd say it's perfect for anyone who needs that balance without the harsh chemicals that most shampoos often contain. Product number 2. L'Oréal Paris Elvive Hyaluron Plump Shampoo and Conditioner Set. I was eager to try the L'Oréal Paris Elvive Hyaluron Plump Shampoo and Conditioner Set, especially because they claim to provide intense hydration for dry hair. The first thing that caught my attention was the combination of hyaluronic acid in the formula. With my hair being oily at the roots and dry at the ends, I needed something that could hydrate without adding more oil. The scent was delightfully fresh, a blend of berries and cherry blossom that made my shower feel like a treat. As I massaged the shampoo into my scalp, I could feel it working. It lathered up nicely and rinsed clean without leaving any residue. Post-wash, I immediately noticed how my ends felt softer and more manageable, thanks to the accompanying conditioner. This duo claims to provide moisture for up to 72 hours, and I found that to be quite accurate. My hair had a noticeable bounce to it, which is rare for my usually limp locks. On the pro side, it's paraben-free, which is a big deal for hair health. The moisturizing properties are impressive, and I loved how my hair felt nourished rather than weighed down. However, I did find it a bit heavy for everyday use. I could see someone with less oily hair benefiting more from this in a daily routine. If you're struggling with dryness but also battling oiliness, this is a fabulous set to consider for your hair care arsenal. Product number 3 is Aveeno Apple Cider Vinegar Clarifying Shampoo. I couldn't resist trying the Aveeno Apple Cider Vinegar Clarifying Shampoo, especially with all the buzz around apple cider vinegar being a natural clarifier. I was hopeful this would help cut through the oil on my roots while still being gentle enough for my dry ends. Upon using it, the first thing that struck me was the invigorating apple cider vinegar scent. It felt refreshing and made my scalp feel alive, which is something I've been missing in my hair care routine. The shampoo lathered beautifully, and I could feel it working its magic to remove excess oil and buildup. I was pleasantly surprised at how gentle it felt despite its clarifying properties. My hair rinsed clean without feeling stripped, and once dried, it had a lovely shine. The nourishing ingredients in this shampoo really helped balance out my scalp's oil production without drying out the ends. Pros include its gentle, sulfate-free formula and the shine it brought to my hair. I also appreciated that it was suitable for daily use. On the downside, the scent might not appeal to everyone, and those who dislike vinegar might find it off-putting. Overall, if you're looking for a shampoo that cleanses without harsh chemicals, this is definitely worth a try.
Product number 4. Neutrogena Exfoliating Healthy Scalp Clarifying Shampoo. I was intrigued by the Neutrogena Exfoliating Healthy Scalp Clarifying Shampoo due to its claims of exfoliating the scalp while addressing oily hair. The pink grapefruit scent added a delightful touch that made washing my hair feel more like a refreshing treat. When I used it, I noticed that the creamy texture provided a rich lather that felt luxurious. As I applied it, I could feel the exfoliating properties gently working their way through my scalp, which was a nice change from typical shampoos. Post-wash, my hair felt incredibly clean and lightweight. I think the shampoo does a fantastic job of clarifying without over-drying. The pH-balanced formula left my hair shiny and bouncy, and I felt confident about the freshness of my scalp. On the pros side, it's sulfate-free and color-safe, which is great for anyone with color-treated hair. However, the exfoliating effect might be too much for those with very sensitive scalps, so it's worth considering if you have that concern. Overall, if you're dealing with oily hair and need a thorough cleanse, this is a fantastic option.
Product number 5. CeraVe Oil Control Balancing Shampoo. Finally, I tried the CeraVe Oil Control Balancing Shampoo, and I had high hopes given my previous positive experiences with CeraVe products. This shampoo is specifically designed for oily hair and claims to balance oil levels while hydrating the ends. Right off the bat, I appreciated that it's sulfate-free and fragrance-free, which is perfect for my sensitive scalp. As I massaged it in, I noticed a lighter texture compared to other shampoos I've tried. After rinsing, my scalp felt clean, and my hair was not stripped, but still manageable. The inclusion of ceramides and hyaluronic acid felt like a hug for my hair, balancing the moisture levels effectively. I found that my roots felt refreshed without that greasy feeling creeping back too soon. The pros are clear. It works for all hair types and textures, and it's gentle enough for daily use. On the downside, if you have extremely oily hair, you might want something a little stronger. However, this shampoo excels at maintaining a balance, making it a fantastic option for anyone struggling to manage oily roots and dry ends. If you're serious about finding a reliable shampoo to tackle both issues, I highly recommend giving this one a shot.